welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, then hello lover, welcome to Oyama Mninzi space. And if you're not, welcome back, welcome back.
You know you like that.
I said I actually loved that song. So in today's video, I will be treating my hair. It's been a while. The last time I treated my hair was in like July. So my hair really needs all the help it can get now. It's tough, it's really bad. So yeah, I bought a protein pack and I'm going to be treating my hair. I just need to go shampoo first. Shampoo and condition. This is the pack that I use to protein treat my hair. The Palmer's coconut oil formula protein pack. I like this pack. I don't use coconut oil on my hair anymore. I'm not gonna lie and say I never used it. I did, but it dries out my hair. I realized after a while, like my hair just doesn't want to deal with coconut oil anymore. So yeah, I just use that as a protein treatment and it's really good, guys. If I could show you my natural curl pattern, it looks amazing. Like it really brought it back and it defined my curls. It was amazing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I thought I was gonna come home because we just got back from doing errands for my aunt. So I just got back home from doing errands for my aunt, and I thought I was gonna eat poppy because I'm very disappointed. At least I got an apple munch, so I hope that holds me down. So let me go shampoo my hair, then come back and show you guys the protein treatment. I hope it's gonna show. Like I hope my curl will show after I'm done with the protein treatment. But yeah, so let me just explain. I wash my hair with a shampoo, condition my hair. I normally leave the conditioner on for like 10 minutes, then rinse that off, and then follow the protein treatment on my hair. And when I'm doing that, I'll leave that on for like an hour. But like before just leaving it on, I'll wrap my head in cling wrap, plastic wrap. I'll wrap my head with that. And because it's nice and hot in East London, I'm just gonna walk out and sit in the sun just for it to trap some of that heat. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's all I do. Oh, and by the way, I want to say out loud, actually, I want to say this here. Am I showing? I hope I'm showing and I'm focused. So I wanted to say thank you to Asisipo, guys. So Asisipo was like, hey, Asisipo was like, girl, you have content sitting on your head. Why are you not doing hair content? And I don't know, I don't feel like I can, because I'm still trying to figure this out for myself. But let's just learn together. I'm doing this one for you guys and for me. We are learning together how to work with our afros. So I really hope you guys like this video. Let me go wash my hair. Okay, so my hair is done. You just look there. Okay, yeah, I just washed my hair and washed and conditioned. And now I have to protein treat the girl. So yeah, Froro needs to be treated, and yeah. Now the smart thing would be to section my hair so that I get as much product into my head as evenly as possible, but it's so time consuming. But okay, let's make a plan. Even if it takes all night or 100 years. Okay, let me just go section my hair off camera. Okay, I'm gonna go section my hair off camera, and yeah, we can just start treating it in. Okay, so I have sectioned off, I just finished washing my hair and I've sectioned it off. Now the problem with my hair is that the hair at the back is like way longer than the hair in front. That's why my little pom-poms will look funny. So now I'm gonna faga a protein treatment and then bopper this and then come here and then bopper and then faga and then bopper. Cool. Need to hurry up, my battery's low and there's no mbane. Oh, okay. Stupid. Cool. Oh my god, Lulu. Okay. I think that's about it. Then I will like done fagging treatment in Oyama. I hope I faggoted it evenly. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit for like an hour now, and then after an hour wash it out, and then do what I normally do, which would be to twist my hair. So stay tuned. Oh, by the way, I wrap my hair in cling wrap. I hope you guys can see this, but yeah, I wrap my head in cling wrap. This is to trap the heat. I'm going outside now so that I can sit in heat. I hope you get it. But yeah, I wrap my head in cling wrap and then for like an hour. Then after that, okay, then go rinse it off and then do my lock method. And yeah, I have to base my scalp because I've got eczema, so apart from just like my skin is not just dry because my scalp, sorry, is not just dry because it's dry because I've got eczema on top of having dandruff. I don't have that much dandruff anymore, actually, it's just the eczema. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that after I'm done with this. So I just rinsed off the treatment off of my hair. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it basically does this, like it defines your curls. Can you see that it's defined? You see, like it defines your curls and stuff. So yeah, that's what I did. Now I'm gonna pour some oil, a little bit of oil. I got this new oil from Dis-Chem. It was cheap. It was on special for 20 Rand. And at Clicks it was 30 Rand. Yeah, at Clicks it was 30 Rand. So I'm gonna pour this into my scalp. I'm first gonna like pour this into my scalp because I have really dry skin, dry scalp and all of that. So I'm gonna do that. Smells good. This oil smells really good. I'm going to section my hair so that I can just tie it and sleep for tonight. I will use my hair. Another thing, hey, Katleho, if it wasn't for her, you guys would know her as Girl with Afro on YouTube. It's also Girl with Afro on Twitter, and I think on Instagram she's also that, if I'm getting things right. But yeah, she helped me out with how to do the lock method for my porosity. I have low porosity here, and I think she said it's liquid, so that's water, and then conditioner, then oil. Yeah, I think that's what she said was best for my type of hair. And then like she basically had a quiz thing that she did, and I got it right for low porosity hair, but I do it like that, and that's how I actually figured out. But prior to that quiz, I didn't know that's what I was actually supposed to do. I was just doing, so I'd been doing it the correct way. Wow. So thank you, girl with fro. So thank you, girl with a fro, ma'am. Thank you for that quiz. I learned a lot about my hair. Look. There we go. Get all the oil up in there. Guys, I'm too lazy to be doing this like into each like hot hair and stuff and do like sexy can't. Time is not something that I don't have patience. Okay, cool. Then where's my brush? Actually, I normally brush my hairline, guys. Just to make Monday cake and roll it together. I'm not sure about you guys can see, but my hair is a little white now, but give it some time and it will disappear. You'll get it away. Cool. And I am done. How are you guys liking this actually? How are you guys feeling about it? But yeah, this is basically what I do with my hair. That's the end of my video, you guys. I hope you guys learned something or found it relatable. To the natural influencers who may find this video, if I did something wrong, please correct me. But I tried, guys. But this is what I do like normally. But if I did anything wrong, you guys can correct me so that I can, you know, my game. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you again next week for another video. And thank you to Asisibo, guys. Asisibo, if it wasn't for you, I would have never done this video, guys. I don't like talking about my hair because I'm a mess. I'm still learning. I don't think I'm good at anything that has to do with my hair. So yeah, I'm a tangled mess actually. I'm a very tangled mess. So thank you for that, babes. But to people who ask me questions about my hair and feel that I never, well, and that I don't really answer, it's not because I'm phony or kanyektheni, but it's because I'm scared. I don't think I'm really good at what I do with my hair. So I hope you understand, because I'm still learning and some things I do wrong and then I have to like learn. So I can't advise you on how to take care of your hair when I'm still a mess myself. That's what I think. But okay, we'll just learn together on this journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Guys, I got my armpits waxed today and my brows. They look like people again. Yay. Bye guys.